everyone, and welcome to my culminating video on my project. In my report that I just wrote as well, I kind of give thanks to this project for many reasons. Not only do I feel as though that it truly will help my students, but it also has helped me become a better instructor. I definitely notice a difference when it comes to feeling comfortable with the material and how I'm presenting it. Having a detailed lesson and assignments. So right here you can see I actually have two assignments, or two lessons rather, that are not part of the project, but they do offer some good information to the students. As for who I'm trying to reach with this, I made it specifically for the ECM students taking ECM 224 at Hudson Valley Community College, but it could also reach out to some of the industry professionals. And we take a look here just on Indeed, and I have the area as Pennsylvania, but that doesn't really make a difference. There's a ton of automation jobs for control technicians, for industrial technicians, industrial maintenance. So I really do feel as though if we can grow the ECM program and provide more of these workers to the workforce, and let me just see what comes up in New York. Okay, you could see here still a ton of jobs. Hourly rate is pretty good. So this project is going to prove to be useful not only for my students, but I feel as though industry professionals could also benefit from what I'm trying to accomplish. Some of the other things, and let me just take a look back at this. So the overall purpose of the project, okay, is to get my students to come into the class. I would have these, I already have presented these, this website to my students, and they'll go on. They can see a brief outline of the learning objectives for this lesson. They can then click on the link that'll take them to my my video that I've created for that lesson. Some of you might have already checked them out, and there's me. Alright, I'll just pause that. But what they're able to do here is they could see the material more than once. As you know, and as I've stated before, classroom time is always an issue, and some of this stuff is pretty tough. Although most of the students are digital natives, some of them don't pick up on it right away. It's a totally new concept for them, and it's not fair sometimes to grade them or let them receive a grade that's not, you know, what they could accomplish by having a little bit more help. So by creating a blended learning environment, I think it definitely does help them see the material more than once and have that opportunity to practice on their own, or at least view a demonstration prior to coming into the classroom. So I have made a more scaffolded approach to the program as far as the class layout and design. So I break down some of the lessons into some of the lessons that we usually do in one class period. I've actually broken that down into 2 or 3 videos here. So usually what we'll do is for lesson 1 and 2, that's usually given in one 4-hour class. So what I did here was I broke that down into 3 separate lessons of a few short videos. You'll notice that all of my videos are under 5 minutes, and that's the goal. So the only ones that aren't are my presentations for this course. So all the ones that I do for my actual project there are less than 5 minutes. Even this one here is under 4. Just again for this course that we're doing, and I really feel as though that helps them stay focused. When I've presented videos from external resources to try and help get them to understand the material, it seems as though anything over 10 minutes is way too long. Even at that 10-minute mark, most of them have lost interest. So keeping them focused, giving them the opportunity to look at the material more than once, and kind of learn at their own speed. So they can come in prior to my demonstration, prior to my lesson. They could view these videos. After my lesson, they could even view the videos in class, which is something that I've allowed them to do within reason. Most of them have been very responsible about it, and it has proven to help them. Obviously, you got to keep an eye on that. You don't want them surfing the web and looking at stuff that doesn't pertain to the course. And then to grow this into something that's a little bit more official, I would like to use a learning management system like Blackboard or Moodle, where I could evaluate the students a little bit better based on their interactions with the video. So maybe do like a little quiz at the end of each video, or a questionnaire or a discussion board like we do here, to make sure that they're accessing those videos and using them the right way. So that's the basic overview, and the success of the project has proven to be there. So I'm pretty excited about taking this to the next level, and it truly was enjoyable creating this project. Thank you very much.